Cindy. I am here at the Ecuadorian chocolate factory here in Cedar Park, and they are making homemade chocolates right now as we speak. This is a locally owned family business. Carlos and Isabel make delicious pure chocolates here right on site, and I'm going to show you what's happening. Come on down here. And Eloise is getting the first sample this morning. What are you trying, Eloise? What is it?
She's trying the 55.
The 55, oh, 55%?
Yes.
How do you say that, 55% cacao?
Cacao.
Cacao.
Yeah, no one.
And what's this?
It's the same, the 55.
Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Each chocolate has a different percentage of cacao in it.
They're getting more and better as you go along.
Okay, and are we, it goes all the way to 100?
Yes,
Wow.
We also have a little shop behind me, and really, you guys, the hardest part is deciding what to pick. They have so many delicious choices. I'm going to show you all some of the selections here. So these are all the different barks that they offer, and all of these are made out of 55% cacao, and they look fabulous. Then they've got all the hot chocolate here that's made out of 100% cacao. They have homemade hot chocolate bombs, and this is really cool. You can you can just pick your own chocolates. They have truffles and assorted filled chocolates. So the hardest thing here today is going to be to decide exactly what we want to purchase. And Malcolm here is sampling the chocolate-covered strawberries. What do you think, Malcolm?
10 out of 10.